First question. Which of the following is a crater lake? Options are Sambar Lake, Chilka Lake, Vembanad Lake, and Lonar Lake. The answer is Lonar Lake. Lonar Lake, also known as Lonar Crater, located at Lonar in Maharashtra. Lonar Lake was created by meteorite collision impact. The lake has mean diameter of 1.2 kilometers. Lake was declared as a protected Ramsar site in November 2020. The second question, which of the following is or are correctly matched? Mumbai, biggest port of India. Visakhapatnam, landlocked port. Chennai, one of the oldest port on eastern coast. Kochi, Queen of Arabian Sea. All options are correct. Third question, fine grained ephemeral lake in desert is known as. The ephemeral lake means the temporary lake is known as playa, oasis, drumlin, natural levee. The answer is playa. You can see the playa here. Playa is also called as pan, flat or dry lake. The flat bottom depression found in desert. You can see in this picture playa. The next one is oasis. Oasis is a fertile land in desert or semi-desert environment. Oases also provide habitats for animals and plants. You can see in this picture the oasis. Oases are made fertile when sources of fresh water such as groundwater, rivers or aquifers irrigate the surface of the desert. The next one, drumlins. Drumlins are the oval shaped hills largely composed of glacial drift formed beneath a glacier or ice sheet and aligned in the direction of flow. The group of drumlins you can see in this picture also called as basket of eggs. Fourth one is levees. The natural levees are the embankments formed naturally after a river floods and recedes. You can see this picture before the flood and after the flood, how the embankments have been developed. The fourth question, the Earth's atmosphere is mainly heated by. Options are shortwave solar radiation, reflected solar radiation, long wave terrestrial radiation, scattered solar radiation. The answer is long wave terrestrial radiation. The terrestrial radiation is the in-solar radiation received by the Earth is in short waves, forms and heats up its surface. The Earth, after being heated itself, becomes a radiating body and it radiates energy to the atmosphere in long wave form. This energy heats up the atmosphere from the below. This process is known as terrestrial radiation. The long wave radiation is absorbed by the atmospheric gases, particularly by carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. The atmosphere is indirectly heated by the Earth's radiation. The atmosphere in turn radiates and transmits heat to the space. Finally, the amount of heat received from the sun is returned to the space, thereby maintaining the constant temperature at Earth's surface and in the atmosphere. The next question, which of the following is not soil forming factor? Options are parent material, topography, climate and human habitation. The answer is human habitation is not a soil forming factor. First option was parent material. The parent material determines the coloration, how the color of the soil will be, the mineral composition and texture of the soil. The next option was topography. The relief is the most important factor for soil formation in places with steep slopes like the hilly regions, edges of the plateaus, and etc. The climate, temperature, and rainfall are the most important factor in soil formation. The fourth was biotic organisms, vegetation, that is trees and vegetation aids the control of soil erosion, and fauna, that is animals, rodents, earthworms, ants, etc. are highly important in soil formation.